At Thermacon Service Company, we aim to be the best kind of neighbor, and Thermacon Man can. Do you need a company to actually show up when promised? To treat your home like it's their own? Do you need a company to stay until the job is done and put thought and care into every piece of equipment they install? Thermacon Man can. For over 40 years, Thermacon Service Company has been serving Southeast Texas. We're here in your community, we're here in your neighborhood, and we're here for you. We think that you deserve the best service company that makes your comfort a priority. Thermacon Service Company, where Thermacon Man can.
If it's 40 degrees at 11:53 a.m. on Christmas Day, you could win a free system to celebrate our 40 years of business. Systems must be purchased between October 15th through December 15th, 2020. Exclusions may apply. See website for full details.